Wisteria. In the shade. Now I've only got the fun part of cleaning up all that mess. It takes twice as long. Much better. Clean up all this, blow it all into the middle of the yard and pick it up from there. tidy it up. Looks way better. Just while I'm sitting down in here doing some weeding, I've just mowed the lawn ready for Christmas, so I've done that right up until number 5, so only got about half a bucket of lawn clippings off it. Because it's so dry, it still has a green look to it now, so I didn't go too low. That's how you get it looking much nicer just around Christmas. Anyway, move on to what I'm doing now. Keep weeding. Right, so doing it before. Right one there. One there. Plenty of weeds in there. These liliums, past this rose, past these irises, to got a flower there. I think that's I think it's I don't even know if it's meant to be there. Anyway, looks nice. I think it's a gazania. What? Where? So, always like fell short of my target. Get to this rose. Up there. 3 buckets out of there. Just got to get the blower and blow all that crap away. Okay. The task going on here. Start weeding here. There. Get all them bluebell seeds before they spread. Weed around the rose, weed around the iris. Is that a wheel now? Strange looking bee. It's a fly. Actually. Let's see if we can get that on there. Yeah. Weird looking fly. Haven't seen one like that. Maybe it's got yellow from the... Oh, it's gone. Yeah, get all the grass out of there. Third bucket. You ready? Let's see where I'm heading. This is the view. I want to get down to them yellow irises down there. It's a fair old challenge. See how we go. Might come back here and get a snapshot after. Just sitting here behind this rose like that. Go. Can't believe this little weed. It's one hell of a hell of a lot of work. What was I going to say? Hell of a lot of work. Yeah, get down in there. I always seem to cut short from the target for some reason. As you can see, and right up to that bucket. It's not easy. These slowed me down getting in amongst there. Getting all the weeds out there when not the easy task. Come down here. There you can see where I've done from the crate across to that bucket. Just to there, the line. Next time we're going to go up in there, I thought I could do it all, but no chance. It's just too hard. Time runs out too quick. Plus, if you're going to get every bit that is, like, that's the only way I do it. Anyway, I'm done it now. Move on to the next job. If you look out there, you'll see the little bird that's eating the New Zealand flax there. I love them seeds. That's why I always leave them. They eat them all, and then you just cut them off when all the seeds are gone. The birds love them. If you want to bring any more birds around your house, just plant a few of them.